Hello guys, one more time. I came again one more time to show you guys. I'm gonna make a stew, chicken stew, and one vegetable for you guys. I prepared for you. Welcome. So when you're gonna see this recipe, don't forget to subscribe and press like and comment. I need your comment. I want your like. I want to subscribe and press the button. You know, by the screen on your left side. In your right side, you see the bell. Just press it. Any video I'm gonna get a notification. Before you start watching the video, like, subscribe, and share it. So today I'm gonna make a stew, chicken stew with the garden egg. I'm gonna make today. They have chicken, tomato paste, garlic, onion. I like to use white onion. And you can use, it's optional, you can use garlic paste, but I prefer to use the natural one, the proper one. This is the onion, this is the tomato, this is, I want some ginger and some turmeric here, the tomato paste. This is my vegetable I'm gonna put on the stew, chicken, garden egg. Garden egg is very good for your health. If you have a blood pressure, if you have a liver problem and sleeping, it will help you for a lot. If you keep using this in your recipes, it's very good for you guys. So let's go to the trap. I like to wash my chicken with the hot water. I wash it when I clean the chicken, but I like to use the hot water. You know why I use the hot water? Because the chicken have a lot of things. You can see the dirty water. The dirty. See it. So many people they cook the chicken like that. Always, since I learned, I wash the chicken. See the dirty. I didn't cook it yet. Look at the chicken. This is the hot chicken. Always, before you season everything, you need to put the hot water, oil water, boil it to take all the bad things on the chicken. Because look, see now, yeah, the hot, all this, you see, you have to take it out with the hot water. Water, no water, so the chicken will bring the water, it will bring the flavor out. So that's why I need to boil like that. Don't put the water, just everything the way I showed you before. Just put in the fire and put them, not tomato yet. This is where in the process just garlic and ginger, turmeric, and all-purpose season. So you put everything inside. Then let's put in. So we need to see now the chicken, the way it's boiling. Yes. I didn't put the water, guys. Can you see it? See? See? Look at the water. It's getting nearly. So give just more 10 minutes. Then we come back. I blend it a little bit paste tomato